Internets, what's up? This is Rob from TechGuysSmartBuy.com. Today we're talking about this guy. These are the new Solo Pro from Beats by Dre. Now, we've had these for about a few weeks and these might be the best by Dre. So the overall design and look of the Solo Pros mirrors that of kind of what you expect from Beats headphones. Instead of a gloss finish, you have a matte finish for a mostly plastic body with exposed aluminum rails to adjust them on your head. Don't look for a power button as you turn them on by simply just unfolding them, which is pretty cool. I just wish they had smart sensors. You put them down like this, they would stop playing. But you can do all that with the on-ear controls on the right cuff. You have the H1 chip, so fold it, iPhone picks up immediately. And for you Android users, I use these with the Pixel 4, also sync pretty easily. So the padding on here is a bit more beefier to be a bit more sweat-proof. This is probably the more interesting part. As far as comfort, your experience may vary depending on the size or the shape of your head. For me, I can wear them comfortably with glasses, but because they're an active noise canceling, they made to have a tight seal. And I've worn these for a few weeks and that seal doesn't really loosen up and it's still really tight on your head. After a few hours, you get a little fatigue. Headphones feel like they're clamping down on your ears. And I have another coworker who went out and bought these, also wear glasses, and he's fine. So that's what like, your experience may vary, but if you're interested and you pick one up, just make sure you hold on to your receipt in case they don't work out for you and you do need to return them. I like where Beats is moving with their sound. So they're not quite this super ridiculous bass heavy that the stigma that Beats still has on them today for most people. Over the past few launches, they've definitely been moving away from that and offering a bit more balanced sounds. You still got that thump for those who like, so that's still there, but you have a lot more clarity to it. Sound quality is definitely a lot better. I wish it could be a little bit louder. In regards to active noise canceling ability, they're fine, there's nothing wrong with them. They're not bottom of the barrel, but they're not top of the top. So they're just somewhere in the middle, leaning towards the top. Can't adjust the levels, it's just on or off. The part they do handle well, their new transparency mode. So at the touch of a button, it allows you to kind of hear your surroundings a bit, while your music and whatever is playing. And it's natural, it's not some like hard flip of a switch, it's more like a turning the knob slowly to adjust it. So Beats claim 22 hours of juice on a single charge. They easily live up to that. You can even get more juice when you turn off the ANC and Transparency mode. You get up to 40 hours of juice on a single charge. Keep in mind these charge via Lightning and not USB-C. You still have their fast fuel charging, where a 10-minute charge will give you 3 hours of juice. Not the longest battery life, but a nice sweet spot. I ain't complaining. Now, I think Beats is in an interesting place right now, and I think they're just getting their signature sound a little bit better because they're on-ear headphones. Most people prefer over-ear, so you kind of got to keep that in mind when picking these up. I think these are the best that Beats has to offer right now, between this and the Powerbeats Pro. I think if you're all in on the Beats side of things, this is the way to go. Those of you interested, we'll have affiliate links in the description below. Shout out to Beats for hooking us up with these. So thanks for watching. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you're here with us. We appreciate you for doing so, and see you next video. Peace.